guys, myself Coco. Today I'm going to show how to hand wash very good with a nice song. Come on, let's get started. Wash your hands, wash your hands. Everybody come along and wash your hands. Rub your hands, rub your hands. Make it soapy and wash your hands. Wash your tops, wash your bottoms. Make it whitey and wash your hands. Wash the fingers, between the fingers. Make it whitey and wash your hands. Wash your hands. Lastly thumbs. Lastly the thumbs. Make it nice and wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Make it free from illness. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Everybody come along and wash your hands. Oh, this song was amazing.